at that, guys. It's a very nice compost. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my compost, the fastest and easiest way to make a compost. So what I do, guys, is this is avocado scrap. So I've eaten the avocado. So now I'll show you what I do. Okay, so I cut it in pieces, guys. And then what I do is I always because every day I do this. Sometimes other fruit, sometimes vegetables. Oops. And I have this small thing there. I already have some stuff, so I add it in there. And then I'll show you guys. So once it's dry, so it will dry more. So it becomes like that. I will add it in here, and look at that. They are already very crunchy. All the leaves are crunchy. And then what happened, guys, in like over 6 months, and then it becomes like this. And then what I do is when I do planting, I mix some in the soil in the pot. I mix some soil in the pot, so it will be no need for fertilizer. I don't put a lot. It's like maybe quite a handful. So this is how I make my compost, guys. So it's so easy. So you don't need turning. So it just gets dry by itself. So no sweat. It's easy. The fastest and easiest way to make a compost.